Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing to share with you. This is an Hermes unboxing. I have a few Chanel items to share as well, but I thought I'd make them in separate videos. I haven't filmed that one yet. I've picked up a few things from 21B, but yeah, I haven't gotten around to filming that. But these ones I just picked up today and thought I'd film a quick unboxing. This is a true unboxing. Haven't opened them yet, so let's get right into it. So here's the receipt. Okay, so here's the first one. I'm not sure which is which, but doesn't really matter. So there's two items here to unbox. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pair of shoes to reveal. So here are my new, I believe they're called the Paris loafers. I'll show you the information on the box. And they are in white with rose gold hardware. These are really pretty on when I tried them on, and they seem really comfortable. It's my first pair of loafers from Hermes, so I will keep you posted, but they seemed like they'd be pretty comfortable. I really like how kind of narrow and sleek they are. Yeah, they're really pretty. So let me show you the other one. The white and rose gold combination is really pretty. They come in other colors too. I saw black, and I can't remember what the third color was, but I think there were at least 3 color options, but these ones definitely spoke to me. Okay, so let me show you the box. Yeah, so these are the Paris. The style is called Paris, and I got them in a size 38. I'm usually a 7.5 or an 8, and the 38 seemed to fit perfectly. So that is the first pair. Oh, and my essay included a couple of items. Oh, this is the knotting cards to show how to tie the scarves. So that's cute. That was nice. And then this, I think, is a couple of samples. Yeah, samples of lip colors. So that was nice of her to include those. Okay, and the second item is also another pair of shoes. Here's the box the right way. Okay, so here they are, and it's all wrapped up, but these are the day sneaker, I believe they're called. And I actually have these in white with rose gold, same combination as the Paris loafers that I just got. But these ones I thought would look nice with my caramel bags, and yeah, just as a really nice neutral. They're like I guess like a caramel brown, and the turn lock on here is in silver. My white pair is in rose gold, so these are just a different option. I have worn my white ones quite a few times now, and they are very comfortable. I highly recommend these, and these ones I got in a 38 as well. They seem to fit true to size. Yeah, and they're really comfortable. I believe this is just spare laces. And then show you the other shoe. Yeah, so that is the other one. I like how they wrapped up the hardware really nicely to keep it protected. So those are my 2 new Hermes purchases. And like I said, I have a few items, including some shoes to show you from Chanel 21B, but we'll save that for another video because I didn't want to make this one too long. Yeah, so that's it. Let me know what you think. And if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is fashionjunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.